we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And I sent out a tweet, and then also on my Patreon, I let you guys know. Don't be scared of the dips. We know that Goldman Sachs wanted that cheap Bitcoin, and they got it. Will cryptos and the stock market go down further? Yes, it will, because we know the Fed has to shrink liquidity. But we're still going to have these pumps and dumps. Not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But that is the time to make easy money, guys. We are in the greatest transfer of wealth in history. It is time you sit down, you and your family, so therefore you can make money at this time. Because believe me, next year, it won't be here. And remember, the Cryptoteacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the indicators. I go over every single video, and we found out why. Volume, Tether. And Tether's market cap finally moved up. And what happened to cryptos? Exactly, we moved up. Also, guys, make sure you focus on USDC. The Fed, make sure you're paying attention to the Fed app. I'm going to bring you a video of Jerome this afternoon when he testified yesterday. Wasn't a lot in it, but I picked those pieces, so therefore I make that video powerful. But guys, we know the Fed is controlling cryptos and stocks. That's who we keep our eye on. We know we have Bitcoin futures on Friday. Yes, we took a dip, but we have came back on a lot of these altcoins. Bitcoin and Ethereum did make a comeback off its lows, but now because we're at the price, I think Bitcoin is about 33, Ethereum is around 1900. So I definitely see us getting a small pullback, not that big pullback that I thought at the middle of the month, because we had back, we didn't take a big dip. But Monday, we got a good pullback. So I don't see us taking a plunge from the futures. But guys, do not forget we have Grayscale. That's the only thing that scares me. Because it can give us a great pump or it can give us a big dip. We have to stay focused on them. They are the big whale that can take us either way. And like I stated, guys, a lot of these altcoins got a good bounce. We saw Solana. We saw Salo. And I received a lot of emails, messages on my Patreon. Are we coming back up? And as you saw, we moved right back up, guys. So, like I stated, do not be scared of dips. Find your utility token. It's going to pump and dump. And like I stated, I'm not saying we're not going to head down further because we will. But this is the opportunity to have your HODL bag on the side. But at the same time, find you a crypto, one or two, where you can trade and make money during this bear market. But let's get over to the actual crypto news. We have Goldman Sachs reportedly trading on JP Morgan's repo blockchain. And I reported this last year. They've been on that since last year, guys. We know JP Morgan has a JP Morgan coin, and that division is called Onyx. Also, guys, we have FTX sponsor MLB umpires to wear crypto exchange logo. So we definitely see FTX all about adoption. They are everywhere. When we talk about gaming, baseball, basketball, they're everywhere. Also, guys, we have the BIS comes out, said they fully back CBDCs. And guys, what else were they going to say? We know the central banks do not need a currency. The central banks already have too much control as it is. We know once they get the CBDCs and we have those SDRs, the IMF is going to have total control. Also, guys, we have the SEC delays decision on Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF, and we constantly keep seeing these delays. Guys, do not forget about ISO 20022. Because, guys, basically that's going to give regulation for cross-border payments at the end of next year. And we'll start seeing regulation from countries centered around that. Also, guys, we have the Dubai Nasdaq Exchange launches 3IQ's Bitcoin ETF. And we know Canada has about 3 or 4 Bitcoin ETFs. Hasn't been big on the price. But, guys, once we get regulation in, then they can start moving in that institutional money. And we all know that's the plan. Now we have Santander Palace Elliptic Crypto Risk Screening Tool on clients' transactions. And we know Elliptic is going to be a big piece of the IRS. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have Brave takes aim at Google with privacy protecting search engine beta. And as the fourth industrial revolution gains speed, a lot of people are going to see all their privacy out the window. And privacy protocols are definitely going to be a hot commodity. Now, lastly, guys, we have Cathie Woods buys Coinbase and Grayscale Bitcoin Trust as prices were falling. So, guys, that's the time you buy. You buy when there's blood in the street, even if it's your own. A quote from the Rothschilds, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, I'll be bringing you a video today. Do not forget, you have Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got that home stocks, the Seabird, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. Y'all have a wonderful day.